how to cancel your Calm app premium subscription. So in here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into the application, or you can get into your calm.com, and then from there you can actually get the application via App Store or Google Play. So make sure to simply install the application, or like I said, you can get into the web version calm.com too. Then from there you need to make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So after making sure that you're logged into account, now simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner right here. Then from there you'll be able to see settings. Tap on settings, then you'll be able to get into settings, right? So after getting onto your settings, now what you're gonna do is keep on scrolling until you find manage subscription. Tap on manage subscription, then if you scroll all the way down from manage subscription, you'll be able to see cancel subscription. Tap on it, and then you can confirm your choice, and after doing that, you'll now successfully be able to cancel your Calm app premium subscription.